How is Palestine? Is it peace over there? Yeah.
It's writing.
Oh iya, itu Palestina tuh kali-kali Le Pen lihat. Andre Duda, Andre Duda. Andre Duda is your president, doesn't have wife. Yeah. Yeah. It's not about new clothes that is let down inside cupboard, but it's about you who is showing off your new husband. You are loving me for what? If you're just making my heart broke, showing off your new husband in front of me. Showing off your new husband in front of me. How is my voice?
Pretty good.
Wah. Ini nyasar ke Australia. Brother. Aduh. You smiling.
You from Australia?
No, I am from Palestine.
You live with me.
Apa? What?
We live together.
Oh iya, we live together. Don't war, eh?
Which city?
Which city?
You live in Gaza, yes?
Yes. Don't war. Stop shooting rocket. Yeah, brother.
Saya tidak.
Oh, kamu tidak. Jangan.
Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan?
Saya sedang berbicara dengan Anda nih sekarang.
Kamu sedang tidur.
Sedang berbicara. I'm chatting right now with you,
Saya mengerti.
Iya, kamu bisa bahasa Indonesia. Wah.
Saya suka belajar bahasa.
Wah, keren, mantap. Jagoan.
Terima kasih.
Tinggal di mana? Di mana tinggal?
Saya dari Afrika.
Ini tapi Israel tulisannya.
Yes, I came Israel now.
Oh, you came Israel. Where?
Yeah.
Yerusalem. Mana?
Tel Aviv.
Oh, the capital city. Yeah.
Indonesia people have in Israel.
Oh, many gak?
Good.
Oh iya dah. Jago dia bahasa ininya. Bang,
Australia.
Minum bang, Drinking. Enak. What are you doing?
You live in Australia.
Iya, I am in Australia. You from Israel.
I was going in Australia.
It's in Australia. It is very hot because it's summer.
No corona in Australia, right?
Wah, many coronavirus here. Same with other country. Same with other country. How is COVID in Israel?
Are you from India?
No, I'm not from India. Look.
Sorry, you from China?
No, I have Japanese descent. Yeah, my father.
I don't know.
Japanese.
You look like Asian. You look Asian, but your accent like India.
India like this. Tata. How are you doing? Like that, India.
Right.
I'm not
So
India.
what is your accent?
My accent a little bit Indonesianis.
Indonesia.
Indonesia like this. Indonesia. Australia begini. You're from Tel Aviv, yeah?
No, I'm from Palestine.
Oh, you're Palestine. Yeah, because this is Israel. Written. How is
Yeah,
Palestine?
I don't choose the flag.
Oh, yeah. How is Palestine? Is it peace over there? Yeah.
It's writing.
Oh, iya, tuh Palestina tuh kali-kali Le Pen lihat. Wah, good deh. Iya,
What?
I hope there is no war again.
Mm-hmm.
Bro. Wih. Apa, bro? Lihat-liatin gue, eating yuk. Iya. You eating apa tuh? Ente peanut deh, peanut. Bro. You while silent you. Hello, mate.
Huh?
What are you doing, mate?
I'm drunk.
Oh, you drunk. Wow, you drink too much. What are you drinking?
You are so Asian.
Iya, I am Asian emang. Iya.
Nah,
You don't like Asian nih?
no.
Ah, mabok aja lu nggak suka Asia. Gimana lu sadar? Astagfirullah, bang. Hello, Perindapan people. Ya. Drinking. I'm drinking Nutrisari enak nih, mantap. Iya, masih benar boboso. Kuca hota he, abatomirana. Why your police? Where is Inspector Vijay? Brother. Inspector Vijay. Yeah, I looking for Inspector Vijay. Yeah, why you not wearing shirt? Yeah.
I'm not Iguain.
Iguain. Siapa yang bilang lu Iguain? Random banget, Bangki. You random people you. Siapa yang bilang lu Higuain? Iya, orang lu mirip kayak siapa ya? Kayak Buakai Edi Podai. Ih, Higuain aja lu, so ganteng lu. Bingung kan lu ngomong apa?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
I'm from Kazakhstan.
Oh, you from Kazakhstan. You mau gak gue jitak? You want me to jitak kepala lu? Iya. Jangan dah, lu masih kecil. Ntar gue dimarahin KPI lagi. KPAI. Ih, perlindungan anak. Iya, you mau gak aing jitak? Gitu, palenya. Jangan dah. Ntar gue dimarahin kami. Itu lagi Kak Seto. Di Kazakhstan ada Kak Seto gak? Your brand. I am from Australia. Where are you from? I am from Australia. Iya, you from
Australia?
Iya, from Australia. You from Kazakhstan ya? Iya.
Yes, Kazakhstan.
Oh, Kazakhstan.
How are you?
Oh, I am fine. How about you? How about you? Fine. Iya. What's your name?
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Diana.
Diana mah Vicky Naki dia. Iya, Diana girlfriend Vicky Naki. You know
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know Diana. Oh, banyak banget. So many name Diana in Kazakhstan. Yeah. Diana is a generic name in Kazakhstan. So many girl name Diana. You name Diana. The other one name Diana. One Diana. What is your name? Iya. Apa?
My name Alexander.
Alexander. Oke. Good.
Yeah, you
You apa?
good?
You good.
My English very little.
Oh iya. I understand you. Iya. Very good your English dah. Because many Kazakhstan don't want to talk in English. Iya. They shy. Malu-malu.
Desire. Little desire.
Iya, little desire. Desire kan hasrat. Iya, betul. Halo bro, bro.
Hi, bro.
Iya, you look like Higuain bro. Iya, Higuain, Gonzalo Higuain. Iya, you know football player Higuain. Iya, you look like Gonzalo Higuain. Mantap.
Jibril Cisse.
Jibril Cisse. Adik-adik aja. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Malaka. Where is Aristoteles, bro? I'm looking for Aristoteles, Socrates, and Plato. From your country kan? Nih, udah modar. Udah meninggoy. Luciano Pavarotti. Fabio Grosso. Alessandro Del Piero. Terus apa lagi sih? Lu apa namanya lagu lu apa? Cristiano Ronaldo Portugal panjo. Portugal, not Italy. Buffon, iya, Gianluigi Buffon. Valentino Rossi. Valentino Rossi from Italy kan. Nih, waduh, Yorbert Peribart. Iya, Yorbert. Yorbert. Iya dah, Peri long. Iya, ana masita atau sudah saya. Dah. Iya, apa sih lu? Nulis, jangan nulis. Sawadikap, tukang sulap, makan lahap, ikan kakap, kontrakan pengap. Iya. Where is Socrates, bro? I'm looking for Socrates.
Hey, hello, hey, you speak English?
Iya, speak English. Kenapa? Why?
Like a bitch.
Apa? Your face like a pig?
You are like a bitch.
Oh, your face like a pig. Oh, you born from the dog. Yeah. Yeah, I understand. Kostas Papaputupulos. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Your name very hard.